Hi there. I received a question online on OS X how to show the Macintosh HD on your desktop like this. It's very easy to do. What to do is either click the Finder icon down on the dock or click a blank space of your desktop so you have the Finder option in the top left hand corner. Click on Finder and select Preferences. And in the top option you have to show items on the desktop, you have hard disks. Default that will be turned off, and it has been for some time, but you can simply tick that box and you'll have the Macintosh HD icon available again. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks for watching.